Hello guys, welcome to the Four Corners. Okay, so by the way, I'm Ken, and this is episode 1, What Happened? Okay, so to give you a brief context lang, no? So before kasi lagi ako nag-update ng mga videos about my hobby. Hindi naman marami yung followers ko, alam niyo yun. Hindi naman sobrang dami ang mga nakikinig sa akin. But it's just, hobby lang talaga na mag-upload ng mga videos about my cooking, about things that I've done personally, yung mga hobby ko sa watches, especially yung mga travels din namin. So, nag-enjoy lang ako mag-upload nun. And I don't care about the result naman. But recently hindi na ako nakakapag-upload. Hindi na ako nakakapag-upload ng videos, hindi na ako nakakapag-interact and nakakasagot ng messages sa ah, sa account ko about concerning about anything, especially watches. Hindi na ako nakakasagot. And the reason behind it is this. So, balik tayo na few months from now, way back January 2024, this year. So, meron kaming trip sa Japan noon. Japan trip because of our anniversary. It's a 10-day trip. So, excited kami. So, marami kaming pinuntahan noon. We go to Osaka, Kyoto, Sapporo, Niseko. Kasi we want to experience talaga yung winter sa Japan. And it is one of our dream country talaga, especially yung mga food kasi mahilig kaming kumain. And then, everything goes well naman until may naramdaman akong chest pain. So, itong chest pain na 'to, feeling ko manageable naman siya, okay lang naman. Kaya ko naman siya kasi on and off naman siya, nawawala siya tapos biglang susulpot. So, iniisip ko baka dahil sa weather, baka dahil malamig, or baka dahil pagod lang ako. So, hindi ko siya masyadong pinapansin. Kasi ayoko rin namang masira yung trip namin kasi it's a 10-day trip in Japan tapos malaki na rin yung nagastos namin doon. And we are really looking forward para doon sa dahil doon sa trip na yon. We are really looking forward doon sa Japan trip na yon. And then luckily nakaya ko naman tapusin yung 10-day trip na yon, but it's really a struggle kasi on and off yung sakit ng dibdib ko. And alam mo yun, parang pinipilit ko na lang talagang tapusin yung trip na yon. But overall, nag-enjoy naman ako doon. And then, after our Japan trip, bumalik naman kami ng Singapore noon. And doon na nangyari. So, 1 week after ng pagbalik namin sa Singapore, bumalik yung sakit ng dibdib ko. And in this time, hindi ko na talaga kaya. Yun talaga yung hindi na ako makahinga. Yung shortness of breathing talaga is paghinga ko ng ganun, may masakit sa dibdib ko. So, nagpa-emergency na talaga ako, hindi ko na kaya. And then, they perform ECG, I think CBC, ganun. And then, marami pa sana silang test na gagawin to determine what is the real cause of my chest pain. However, sobrang mahal kasi sa Singapore. So, sabi ko, mamumulubi ako dito. Kailangan ko nang bumalik ng Pilipinas to continue the test and to determine ano ba talaga nangyayari. Fortunately, yung doctor naman namin sa Singapore, naging cooperative naman siya. Pinahinayaan naman akong bumalik ng Pilipinas to perform other tests. And then, dun na ako nagpa-admit sa Asian Hospital. And they perform a series of tests, mga 2D echo, MRI, ganun din, inulit din nila yung CBC, ECG, just to make sure. And then they found out, and ito na, they found out meron akong myocarditis. So what is myocarditis? So let's see. Myocarditis is inflammation of the heart muscle called the myocardium. The condition can reduce the heart's ability to pump blood. Myocarditis can cause chest pain, shortness of breath, and rapid or irregular heartbeat. So check lang natin yung mga symptoms pa nito. So ang symptoms nito, chest pain, fatigue, swelling of legs. So yun, shortness of breathing, lightheadedness. So yun yung mga parang mga symptoms niya. Pero ang naramdaman ko talaga nun kasi shortness of breathing. So hindi ako masyado makahinga. Tapos pag humihinga ako, masakit. So, sabi naman ng doktor, hindi naman siya alarming talaga. So, kailangan ko lang mag-antibiotic and uminom ng gamot. Tapos mawawala na siya. By the way, just to give you a brief context, really confident kasi ako noon eh. Parang hindi naman ako masyadong nababahala because I have a active lifestyle before. So nag-exercise ako, my home workout, I tried to eat vegetables, I tried to eat a balanced diet, I avoid sugar. In other words, parang I tried to have a healthy living. So I tried as much as possible to practice that. And kaya masyado rin akong naging parang kampante. So going back hindi naman ako masyadong naging naging concern kasi sabi nila magagamot lang naman, mawawala na. So after 2 months, naging okay ako noon. So January, February, and March. So naging okay ako noon. So bumalik ako sa mga normal routine ko. I go to office, nag-work, nag-home workout ako, I do yung mga normal things na ginagawa ko. But unfortunately, bumalik siya noong April. And this time, may kasama na siyang extreme tiredness. So hindi na ako normal na nakakagawa ng mga normal na ginagawa ko before. So in other words, mabilis akong mapagod. So before, may mga nagagawa ako. But ngayon, kunwari, eto, hawak-hawak ko tong Rubik's Cube na to, mag-isa ko siyang nabibitawan. So, this time, parang sabi ko, may mali. Compared before, hindi na bumabalik yung dati kong lakas. So, I want to find out ano ba talaga nangyari. Is this because of myocarditis? Or is this because of something else? So, may mga test na ginawa sa akin, may mga test na gagawin sa akin. And to find out ano ba talaga yung real cause, what is the real reason behind it. So, sa susunod na video, pag-usapan natin what is the real reason behind kung ano ba talaga yung nangyayari sa akin. Is this because of myocarditis or is this because of something else? So, yeah, samahan niyo ako dito sa series natin. Thank you everyone. See you next time. Peace out.